Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa, kei te aroha inoho ana, engari kei te anau inoia nei. My name is Sharon Holt. I normally live in Te Aroha in the North Island, but right now I'm in Te Anau, which many people call Te Anau or Te Anau. And that brings me to the point of why I'm making this video. As well as being the author of Te Reo Singalong books and doing lots of work bringing more Māori language into schools and preschools throughout New Zealand, my passion is also to help New Zealanders to pronounce our Te Reo place names correctly. Our Māori place names actually have a lot of history and a lot of mana, a lot of meaning. They're a taonga, and I really feel very passionate about pronouncing them correctly. So today I'm going to give you a little quick Te Reo Māori pronunciation lesson so that you can do this as well. So the key is to pronounce our vowels correctly. A, e, I, o, u. To remember that there are no silent letters in Te Reo, so all of those vowels are always pronounced, as are all the other consonants and other sounds. And also the best thing I can tell you is to put a break after every vowel. So here are some examples. Te anau, te anau, te anau. There is no macron here, so it's not te anau or te anau. Te anau. What about this one? Ma nu kau. If you put a break after every vowel, it makes it so much easier. Ma nu kau. Ka we rau. Ka we rau. Te kau whata. Te kau whata. Te kau whata. What about this one? Many people say remu, 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 remu era, remu era. What about muri wai? It's not mura wai, muri wai. Ma nu rewa, manu rewa, not manuriwa, manu rewa. And my last one on my list is motueka, motueka. So if we pronounce our place names correctly, we're well on the way to really reviving Te Reo Māori throughout Aotearoa. Ka kite!